Hey, have you been overspending with your service? You really need to take a look at this video to show you how to save big time.
If you're looking for the best Kodi boxes, here's a collection that you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1 most popular, Fire TV Stick 4K streaming device with Alexa built-in. I'm pretty sure that Amazon is pleasantly surprised with the success of its media streaming devices, particularly the Fire TV Stick 4K. This one comes with a lightning-fast processor and supports 802.11ac. If you're looking for a streaming device that gives you enough storage for apps and games, then this is what you should get. It offers stunning 4K Ultra HD streaming at up to 60 FPS. The Fire Stick has a small mini USB port on the side and a big HDMI connector sticking out in the front. The HDMI connector gets plugged into the HDMI port of the TV. The product comes with a mini USB to USB cable. Connect one of the cables to the Fire Stick and the other end to the power adapter. Number 2. NVIDIA SHIELD TV 4K HDR streaming media player. The NVIDIA SHIELD is a very popular Kodi Android TV box that has many nice features. It has an NVIDIA Tegra X1 processor, 3GB of RAM, 802.11 AC, Wi-Fi, and USB 3. Two versions can be bought, 16GB and 500GB that give more internal hard drive space. Most Kodi boxes don't give this up and have limited internal space. If you have a large video library you want to store and play, a 500GB hard drive version can be bought. There's a new version of the Shield that came out in 2017 that's smaller than the older one and comes with a new redesigned controller. While more costly than other options, it's a nice box to run Kodi. The NVIDIA Shield Pro combined with Kodi is definitely a cable TV killer. Number 3. Fire TV Cube first generation hands-free with Alexa and 4K Ultra HD. Sometimes it pays to get your hands on the market leader to realize why it impresses so many people out there. It's what I did by buying an Amazon Fire TV Cube, and I can't thank myself enough for doing that. This hands-free streaming media player with Alexa is one amazing device to satiate your thirst for all-in-one entertainment. Apart from its classy looks, I was in awe of the vibrant colors and detailed contrast it delivered in 4K Ultra HD and HDR. But it's packed with a long list of excellent features. Number 4. Beelink GT King TV Box Android 9 AM Logic S922X. The Beelink GT King is a new Android TV box for 2019 that has a new S922X CPU. The S922X CPU is the latest processor for ARM-based hardware such as Android TV boxes. The box did very well while testing and had a very high benchmark score with an ANTUTU score of 108708. There's nothing particularly unique about this particular Android TV box, yet its speed and fluid interface are standouts in a crowded TV box field. You buy Android TV boxes to be able to watch the most content without having restrictions on apps, so to speak. But many Android TV boxes don't hold your hand like Amazon, Apple TV, or Roku. Same goes for this box, but the no-frills approach as well as the updated Android version make this one a pleasure to use. 5. Asus Chromebox 3 N017U Mini PC with Intel Celeron. The Asus Chromebox 3 offers a little bit of everything for the entertainment seeker in you. With the latest 8th generation Intel Celeron processors and DDR4 to 400 memory, it's your best bet for faster, smoother performance. Plus, you can even run your mobile apps on this, thanks to the full support of Android apps from Google Play on Chrome OS. To make data transfer hassle-free, this device also comes with USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C port. Here's what else you can expect from the Chromebook 3. Integrated Intel 4K UHD graphics supports 2x monitors using HDMI and DisplayPort over Type-C for compatibility with legacy display connections like VGA and DVI. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.
It's time to stop the bleeding and start